Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an account on Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First, you need to download and install the Roblox application. Once you're done, you need to open. So once you open it, you will see this interface. From here, you need to tap on Create Account. So once you tap on Create Account, the first thing you need to choose is your birthday. So you can scroll down, you can scroll up and down. From here, you need to choose the year of your birth. Once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to choose a day. So once you choose that one, then you can choose the month and confirm birthday. So once you're done, the next thing you need to do is to choose a username. So you can choose a unique username. It cannot be your name. You can choose other things. It can be between 3 to 20 characters long, contains only letter, numbers, and underscore as well. So I will choose one and then show you. So guys, as you can see, I choose a username and which is not in use already. All the 3 marks are ticked. So the next thing is that you need to choose a password. So your password is not a simple password, at least 8 characters long, does not match username. It should not be your username as well, and it should be 8 character longs. So guys, I will choose a password first. So guys, I choose a password and it is 8 character long, does not match the username, and it is not a simple password. From here, you can choose a gender. So once you choose a gender, from there, then tap on Create Account. So here you go. Now I have created an account. This is my username. So guys, this is all it takes to create an account on Roblox. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.